Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know me, my name is Madhulika. I am an image and life coach. I think you guys have already met Phoebe once in one of my previous videos. So here's Phoebe, here's Phoebe. Here's Phoebe, and she always wants to give me company when I'm making videos, especially. So today I want to talk about why and when do we have a closet full of nothing to wear? I'm sure you've experienced this, that you have lots and lots of different really nice pieces that fit you well, you really like the style and the design, but you have nothing to pair it with. And that's when you have lots of clothes oozing out of your cupboards, but really nothing to wear when you need it. It's not a functional closet. So there could be four possible reasons why your wardrobe is dysfunctional. Number one, it does not suit your lifestyle or complement your lifestyle anymore. What I mean by lifestyle is how many hours a week do you spend time doing some kind of activity in your life? For example, how many hours a week do you go to the gym or like a Pilates class? How many hours a week are you sitting at a desk and doing desk work? How many hours a week are you going to senior management meetings? How many hours a week are you walking your dogs? Like me, I walk them twice a day. So all of those things are your lifestyle aspects. I'll give you an example. What happened with me is that I used to be doing a lot of seminars in the corporate world before the pandemic. And so I had a lot of business casuals and a lot of jackets and a lot of blazers. And then I became an entrepreneur and I had a business. So I was only going in to have staff meetings or making sure that I have strategies in place and marketing is doing its job and promotions are happening on time. I didn't really need the business formals anymore. It was more about feeling professional and dressing neatly. So I had to adjust my closet for my lifestyle change. A few years ago, I used to go partying a lot with my girlfriends, and that reduced quite a bit. And now I have a lot of party clothes in my wardrobe, but I never really use them. So those are some of the examples of lifestyle change. So if your lifestyle has changed from how it used to be, then your closet needs to change as well. And your shopping needs to change as well. Number two is buying on an impulse, like one odd piece at a time. So I used to act on my impulses when I was shopping. And so what started happening is that I started picking out one random piece at a time, like one shirt that I really liked, but I didn't think about what I'm going to pair it with. Or one skirt that I absolutely loved the style and the texture and the fabric, but I didn't think about what is it it's going to coordinate with. What is it that I am going to wear it with? I bought this beautiful red printed skirt and I bought it as one piece only. And I thought, hey, I could pair it with anything. And guess what? When I came back home and I went into my closet, I couldn't find anything to pair it with except for a black tee. So what happens then is that you get restricted of wearing that particular shirt, top, skirt only with one top or one pants. So it's not a versatile piece. Another example is that I bought this beautiful blue denim cutwork shirt and I absolutely loved it in the store and I bought it as one piece only. And when I came home, I realized that in my wardrobe, I have only two things that match with it or that I can pair with. One is, hi Phoebe, one is white pants and the other one was denim. So denim on denim. See, what that does is that I had many individual pieces over months and nothing to pair it with, or maybe one thing to pair it with. Number three is a misfit or a bad fit. Our bodies change, our measurements change, and we have to accept it and we have to shop for it. I can tell you that I am guilty of that as well. A few years ago when I started gaining weight and I used to buy pieces and think, oh, you know what, I'm gonna buy in like a lower size and when I lose weight in a year's time, this is gonna fit me perfectly. Guess what? That never happened. So I still have those pieces in my wardrobe and I've never worn them and I love them. So it's like you're investing in something that you are hoping you will accomplish, right? And it's great if you do, but in the next 6 months, when you're working towards it, you may have nothing to wear. So buy for your current size. Number 4, and something that people don't really think about, is you bought something that looked really fantastic color in the store, and then you bought it and you tried it at home and you hated how the color looked on your skin. So then what happens is you buy the piece of clothing because you really love the color, but you've not tried it on yourself to see what it does for your skin tone. So knowing your colors is really, really important before you go for shopping and before you replenish all the pieces in your wardrobe. If you want to know more information about how to do color analysis on yourself and how to know what are the best colors for your skin tone, then I have another video and I'm going to link it here. Please go and watch that if you want detailed information on color assessment. So just to recap, buy for your lifestyle. Number 2, don't buy one odd piece. Try to buy something that goes with at least 3 or 4 pieces in your wardrobe, or buy something as a co-ord set so that you always have something to wear with that shirt or that skirt. Number 3, always buy for your current size. Number 4, know the colors that look really nice on you, and make sure that when you go shopping, you have some kind of a reference card or colors in your hand, in your phone. Take pictures of what looks really nice on you and buy wisely. And you're going to go back to your closets and build it one piece at a time so that it's fully functional and complements your lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the next video.